Every winter in New York, thousands of homeowners face a hidden danger inside their homes: frozen pipes. And when they burst, the damage can cost thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars. When temperatures drop below freezing, water inside your pipes can freeze and expand. That pressure can cause pipes to crack or burst. And once the ice melts, water can flood walls, ceilings, floors, and insulation. What many homeowners don't realize is that the real damage often happens after the pipe bursts. Water can spread behind walls, under floors, and into insulation. And sometimes the damage isn't discovered until days later. Repairing frozen pipe damage can be extremely expensive. Homeowners may need to replace drywall, flooring, cabinets, insulation, and even electrical systems. In severe cases, repair costs can reach tens of thousands of dollars. Many homeowners assume their insurance company will automatically cover frozen pipe damage, and in many cases, policies do provide coverage, but insurance companies often investigate these claims very carefully. They may ask, was the property properly heated? Were the pipes maintained? Was the damage reported quickly? This is where a public adjuster can help. Unlike insurance company adjusters who work for the insurance company, public adjusters represent the policyholder. Their job is to evaluate the damage, review your policy, and help ensure your claim is properly documented. At United Public Adjusters, we help homeowners navigate the complex insurance claims process. Our team inspects the full extent of the damage and reviews your insurance policy. We document all areas of loss and negotiate directly with the insurance company. Our goal is to help you receive the maximum settlement allowed under your policy. Homeowners can take steps to reduce the risk of frozen pipes. Keep your home properly heated during winter. It is also very important to insulate any exposed pipes. And during extremely cold temperatures, allow faucets to drip slightly to keep water moving. Frozen pipes can cause serious damage and financial stress, but you don't have to face the insurance process alone. If your home or business has experienced frozen pipe damage in New York, contact United Public Adjusters today. We're here to protect your interests and help you recover the settlement you deserve.